Our 50th episode! Are you so excited?
I am, but I think you're too excited, and it's taken away from my excitement.
No.
You're stealing my excitement.
I'm calming down.
I'm very excited.
Catch up.
I'm excited.
So excited.
Yeah,
I'm
it's pretty
50!
Cool. It's a milestone, right? 50?
Yes.
Yeah. It's not easy.
Oh, man. No, we haven't missed a single week. I'm so proud of us.
That's pretty cool. She's very excited, but unfortunately, I'm going to take away from that excitement a little bit.
What?
First and foremost, this will be our last episode. So, 50 was great to get. I know, I'm sorry. It was great to get here, but we're going to go ahead and stop the Q&A. I think we've answered all the questions we can, and I'm just joking.
That's a mean joke.
Felt like the thing to do. I apologize. It's because your bubble's all big, and you're all happy to 50, and it's like, pop! Just joking, we're going to continue.
I can't believe you. I'm going to get excited again. Don't you worry. I hope you guys have noticed our special paying homage to previous episodes. We have our Valentine's Day bear holding the Batman mask and the Batman costume, the infamous. Clint actually told me to throw it away shortly after we filmed our Halloween episode because we had to cut it because it didn't fit him quite right.
It wasn't long enough, you know what I mean? So I was feeling jammed. Yeah, I put it on originally, and I just had this walk in this.
He couldn't.
So I had to cut. I had to create some room. All right.
It was funny. First of all, we have some Q&A with BA stats. We have 4,627 subscribers as of last night at like 10:37. So it could be bigger now. That's super exciting. That's way more than we had when we started. And the video. The Q&A video with the highest amount of views was episode, No. I thought this was really interesting. Our 556 NATO or 223 Wild, question mark, episode.
That was a really good question. That makes a lot of sense.
Over 10,000 views. Also, I thought it would be fun to read the very first comment we ever received on Q&A with BA.
Let's hear it.
Very first comment was from our friend, I think I'm saying this right, Tomanitor?
Sure.
And they said first, to say how much I'm loving both of my 10-3 Ballistic Advantage AR pistol builds. That's so nice.
Not one, but two.
Yeah. And I thought it was just nice to just jump on there and comment and tell us something that you loved. BA product, that's awesome.
It's a good way to kick off comments in a positive direction, and that's usually how it goes.
You're on a desert island, and you can only have 3 episodes of Q&A with BA. What will they be?
I would definitely say Batman and Robin episode. That was a lot of fun. Christmas episode, just because all the poems you guys read. All the poems you guys wrote. Limericks, whatever you call them.
Oh, you guys did say
There was a lot. It was fantastic. I could not believe it. Besides those two, any of them that we're talking about food. I like the food ones because it creates a nice little community back and forth. That's kind of outside this industry, which is fun sometimes. To hear everybody's take on food, and that you'll actually entertain us when we're talking about something other than barrels or AR-15s or AR-10s. What about, do you have 3 favorite episodes that are different than those 3? I don't know how, but maybe you do.
Okay. I think, Batman and Robin, they have to be on my list of top 3. It was just a super fun episode, and we had a lot of fun filming it, and it was funny when we filmed it, but then watching it back, I think that was like the funniest episode to watch back.
By
for
far.
Sure. It was
by far.
Shockingly funny to us. I don't know.
My face hurt for like 2 days.
Second favorite episode. You know what? I think it's actually the episode where you showed me how to do some building of my own.
Well, that was a good one.
I wasn't expecting that.
That was good. We gotta do another one.
I'm not gonna lie. I was really afraid that it was just gonna be, I just felt super, out of my element.
You did a great job. It was awesome. And I think that was the point. And I think that's something, about our company and everything we want to do. We don't want people to be fearful about it, the do-it-yourself community or being able to throw some of these parts together. And that's why we have the Builder Series and everything else. We're trying to empower people and make them feel good right out the gate. You don't have to be fearful.
Yes.
You can do it.
That's true. Third favorite episode. Oh, gee. Oh, there's so many. I have like 5 in my head right now. Okay, I'm just gonna land on the Valentine's Day episode. There was so much pink everywhere, and I had so much sugar that day, and it was just a really good day for me.
It was. Yeah, all around it was very nice.
Yeah, so I think that's my top 3. It's time for some silly questions.
Silly questions.
Not really silly, but more a personal question.
Yeah, I get these every once in a while, and I really appreciate it. The guy said, dude is yoked. asked me what I bench and all this stuff, and this other guy asked me what my workout routine is. So, appreciate it. I get in where I fit in, man. If I can get a morning cardio session, I do. I try to eat decent, and then at night, I'm doing some sort of bodybuilding routine. You know, maybe 1 or 2 muscle groups, depending on which ones they are. But, yeah, a lot of injuries from back in the day, and I'm just trying to keep my longevity going and play with the kids well into my 40s and 50s, and pretty simple.
What if we did like a Clint Hansen workout video?
There is one on the channel. I did one with Frank Warren.
I just saw it in my head. I saw that.
There's one there, but I want to do more of those. So if anybody's got ideas or requests, let us know. But yeah, I definitely want to dabble on that a little bit.
I do yoga.
Oh, this one's funny. So this is actually a buddy of mine. The guy that actually did this tattoo here, which covers my chest and everything else. And on my back, the outline's done. He's asking when we're going to finish your back tattoo. I got to do it soon because my sister-in-law and her fiance are getting married in Mexico. So I'm going to be walking around half naked a lot. So I need my tattoo done. So, Chino, Bruce, come to see you here in the next few months. And to all of you at home, the reason I haven't finished is taking so long, it hurts. Alright? Yes, my back is very sensitive. The most sensitive place. I have lots of tattoos, but back there, man, I don't like it.
Okay, we have a question from our friend Rumblestrip. And actually it kind of coincides with another question from our friend Pinchy Loco. So Rumblestrip asked, was I a cheerleader in high school? No, I wasn't. But I have a lot of dance experience. Which kind of goes with our next question. Couldn't help but notice how she pointed. Was she military? I think I must have, did I do like a two? Was
Maybe.
it the knife when I like knife hands at you?
I'm not sure. I'm not military, so I don't know how they point, but maybe it was something like that.
It's actually something that you're trained in at the theme parks. We have so many theme parks here in Orlando. You'll hear that a lot at the theme parks. They use the 2-finger point or the whole-handed point because a single finger means different things in different countries, and so it's just more respectful and safer to use the whole hand or the yeah, the bathroom's that way. There you go. The armory's right over there, sir.
Interesting.
There you go.
Thank
Okay. Okay, last silly question. Gonna give this one to you.
Okay. Clint, what country is your heritage? I'm a Hansen from Denmark. Okay, Hansen. Very cool. I'm a Hanson from Sweden.
Ah.
So, and both sides, both my mother and my father's side, Sweden. So, the owner of Ballistic Advantage and president, Adam Wainio, is a Finnish Viking. So,
Very cool. I didn't know that.
yeah, so a lot of Viking motivation here. Always trying to do a play on that or something. So, stay tuned for some cool stuff.
Now it is time for us to read happy thoughts, happy
thoughts.
comments, nice comments that you guys have sent us over the episodes, and I do mean over the episodes because I literally combed all 49 of the episodes previous to this one looking for those
And this
happy
isn't all of
thoughts.
them. There's a ton of nice things you guys have always said, and we really, really appreciate it. You both have a great working dynamic, and it's very entertaining. After a long shift today, very nice to watch your video. It's like the gun version of Wayne's World on SNL. I mean that politely and as a compliment. A nice sketch with valuable information and comedic relief. Both of you, thank you, and keep it up. Love the outtakes.
Aw.
That's awesome. See, that's a really good depiction of why we created this channel and the way we wanted to do it. So we wanted to be informative. We wanted to create good content and answer all the questions you want. However, if we could also be entertaining and even an information center for you, and that's what we wanted to do. So I think we're succeeding, and a comment like that makes me feel pretty good. So thank you.
And that was from our friend Illini Armory.
She said it very well.
On then our friend Clang and Bang,
Clang and Bang. Love that one.
Clint's favorite handle.
It is.
He compared us to Leslie Knope and Ron Swanson. You've
Yeah.
watched Parks and Rec before, right?
You've made me find out who these people are and watch that sort of stuff, so I do get it now. But yeah.
It's true.
That's
It's
a
true.
compliment. Appreciate it. My favorite YouTube personalities. That's pretty crazy because I love YouTube and there's a lot of good personalities. So
Yes, there
if
are.
we're your favorite, man,
That's really
that's
sweet.
some pretty high praise. I appreciate that a lot.
That's really nice. This is a really nice one. From TKS Navy 869, they commented and said, has to be the most informative and enjoyable AR videos out there. Thanks, you two are awesome. That's really
Appreciate
sweet.
it.
Yeah.
Very much appreciate that. That was our goal. I like it because and we definitely planned this from some aspect, but there's a lot of just naturally evolving that we wanted to do on the show. You know, bringing on Jason, that made a lot of sense to bring him on. Who knows what we'll do in the future? Maybe, I think a lot of stuff is just going to get better just in general, but we want to keep keep ourselves fresh and informative for you. So we will put our all into these videos. You guys just keep watching. Okay.
All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching and sending us your questions and your comments and your love. We really appreciate it. Special shout out to Jason Demo and Jeffrey behind the camera today. Thank you guys so much for helping us with Q&A. Please subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos up every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. And if you want to see Clint Hansen or Jason Demo or Jeffrey or me answer a question of yours, you should definitely comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you send us. Maybe someday we'll have celebrity guests.
Oh, I'm thinking so.
Maybe Keanu Reeves will come on.
Dude, that's possible. It's totally possible.
You and Jason would just flip out. Jeffrey, do you like Keanu Reeves?
He's the man. Who doesn't?
I don't know. I can't think of anyone. I love Keanu Reeves.
Yeah, he's like the perfect
I've loved him since I saw The Matrix when I was 9 years old. My uncle let me watch it. My parents didn't know.
Oh, and this one says, question for Cliff. I don't know who Cliff is, so I'm not going to read that one. That's some other dude?
I put that one in there because I think it's so funny that they called you Cliff.
I don't think that's that funny.
Okay.
Yeah, there's some...
We have our Valentine's Day bear.
Yeah.
Did we ever name our Valentine's Day bear?
I think the viewers picked a few names, but we never officially gave it a
No,
name.
I think we did.
Did we?
I think we did. I think it's in an episode.
So we have to cut all of this. So don't bring
You
up
guys.
the name.
No, I shouldn't bring up the name. Why did I bring up the name? What
Find
the
it. God.